Today I want to do a quick review of this drain auger by Breezz Clog. We do have a relatively old place that we live in, about 100 years old actually, and the pipes are also old, so sometimes they'll get clogged up with stuff, and instead of calling a plumber, I got this little drain auger and started doing it myself. Really easy to use, really helpful, and very inexpensive compared to hiring a plumber every time you have, something stuck in the drain. This one does come with these gloves, which I really like, which is nice, and it does go out to 25 feet, as you can see, so you got plenty of room to get really deep inside your drains if you need to. It's simple, like clockwise and counterclockwise twist motion to get this thing, the snake, going all the way in the drain. It's able to navigate very complex drain systems too, which is cool, and it's very durable and is super compact. Kind of just zips back into itself when you're done using it. Would highly recommend it if you're looking for your own drain cleaning tool.